All right, guys, we are on academic vocabulary, unit 3, lesson 3. Again, I'm not sure what's going on with my camera, but hopefully I can get it fixed soon. So, our learning target here is that after learning the meaning of 10 academic vocabulary words, readers will be able to recognize and use them in a variety of contexts. So, our first word that we're going to be looking at is benevolent, which is an adjective. The benevolent woman donated her time and money to help families. So, remember, just like before, we are going to circle, our word. We made a big old circle. Benevolent woman donated her time and money. That seems like a context clue to help families. So I'm going to underline my context clues. Now, looking at the picture and the sentence, make your best guess of what you think this word means. The class definition that we will be using for this word is being kind. Our next word is manipulate, which is a verb. So the magician can manipulate the cards so skillfully that it looks like they're floating on air. So I'm going to go ahead and circle manipulate. Manipulate the cards so skillfully that it looks like they're floating on air. And the cards kind of also give me a hint because it seems like he's going to be doing something with the cards, right? Go ahead and make your best guess now. Our class definition of manipulate is going to be to work something with the hands. Manufacture is a verb. The factory will manufacture thousands of toy cars to meet the demand. So we are going to circle manufacture. And now we're going to look for our context clues. To me, I think factory, right? Because it looks like this person's in a factory too. Toy cars, right? Because it sounds like that's what they might be doing, making something. So go ahead, make your best guess now. And our class definition is going to be to make something by hand or with a machine. Manuscript is a noun. The writer submitted her manuscript to the publisher. So again, we are circling manuscript and then looking at the picture and that kind of thing. I'm thinking writer might be important and publisher might be important. Yours might be the same or different as mine. Go ahead and make your best guess now. And our class definition is a book or document that has been written or typed. Benign is an adjective. The doctor assured us the lump was benign and nothing to worry about. So I'm going to circle benign. And then looking for my context clues. If you see ones that are different than me, then that's fine. But I think like nothing to worry about seems like good. Go ahead and make your best guess now. And our class definition is going to be, not a danger to one's health, does not cause harm. Prescribe is a verb. The teacher decided to prescribe extra reading assignments. Prescribe, we're going to circle. And then what words around prescribe are giving us clues? Maybe it's like extra reading assignments or something else. Our class definition of prescribe that we will be using is to give directions. Describe is a verb. They describe their favorite animal and why they like it so much. We are going to circle describe. And I'm thinking like animal, why they like it. But you could do something else. And remember, we can use the picture to help us as well. Our class definition is to say what something is like. Manual is an adjective. To complete the project, we followed the instructions manually to make sure it was done correctly. So we're going to go ahead and circle manually. Okay. I'm going to say follow to make sure it was done correctly. I also see some bikes, so maybe make your best guess now. Ooh. And our class is going to be needing a physical effort. Maneuver. The driver had to carefully maneuver the car around a sharp turn. So we are going to circle maneuver. And then I'm probably going to underline carefully. Sharp turn, maybe. And our class definition that we are going to use is, oh Lord. To move something in the way you want to go. Benefit. Regular exercise can greatly benefit your health. Again, we're going to circle benefit. Maybe we're going to look at exercise, right? Health. Okay, and our class definition that we're going to use is, come on, to do good for someone. Now, go ahead and fill out your Cornell Notes summary. Remember, you need 2 or 3 sentences, and you are good to go.